In today's video, we will be talking about pollination. Pollination is an important process in the reproduction of plants with seeds, also known as seed-bearing plants. People would not have fruit to eat or beautiful flowers to see without pollination, thus making pollination a very important part of the life cycle for plants. But pollination is not only important to plants, it is also important to humans as well. Pollination allows for us humans to eat the fruits that we eat and gives us more seeds to create even more plants. In fact, of the 1,400 crop plants grown around the world, for example, those that produce all of our food and plant-based industrial products, almost 80% require pollination by animals. This can include visits from bees and other such pollinators. This is important to us because pollinating often results in larger, more flavorful fruits and higher crop yields. The process of pollination begins like this. When a bee or other insect lands on a flower, small particles of pollen stick to its legs. One way plants help to attract insects is by the bright colors and smell that a flower emits that tells the insects that the flower has the sugary nectar that it loves to eat. As the bee flies to the next plant, it transfers the pollen over with it, which in turn will fertilize the egg cells to make seeds. This is an important process of the plant cycle because if bees or birds or bats ever stop pollinating, it could damage the plants that bear fruit and produce oxygen. People need the bees, the plants, and the food they provide to survive and preserve the planet. In conclusion, pollination is used as a way to help plants produce more plants. Pollination is not only important so that plants can make new plants, but it is also important for humans because no pollination means there will not be as many plants to use for food, clothing, shelter, and other things.